Kanong yalam jong kaseng kongres ka kwang amparin lingdo kaloong bahaus nam ar pholai kalong ka balakloi banyatre lang bar ka parti UDP bar ka HSPDP. Habai kran bar kilat pathai khubor ka kwang amparin kaloong baka kongres ka jumat ika hiar ka kiyo ka sain perthai bat menta don satang sangut bar kumju ka UDP ru ka jujam. Kumta na kaliang ka jongka kala khwat bat yaweri ki seng riulum banyatre lang haus nam ar pholai. Da ka ba kalo ong ru ba menta ka jella ka don kam mi ki parti riulum ki banla ban ai ka jing sensar khadar ka babha ban lada yo ban yetre lang bat ki parti ki badon ni ka jing perkhat riulum onla ban yo ka sarkar ka babha. Shushu kalo ong ru ba ka parti kongres ka dei ka parti ka baju yetre lang bat ki parti riulum labun bon snem. Kala penrap ru ba mentahi ke parti kala wengi kini ki jingwet baro ban penpau ke jingkwa ban yetre lang bat ki parti riulum haus nam ar pholai.
Congress has always had coalition governments whenever there was a hung house, and every time down the ages except 2018 we've always partnered with regional parties to provide for strong governance to the people of the state of Meghalaya. Now in 2018, there's a different story altogether. Why were regional parties not willing to partner with the Congress while we had 21 seats? We were the single largest party. Now all those deterrents that stopped regional forces from collating with the Congress are now part of history. We are now rid of all of that baggage, and I do look forward to an opportunity to work once again with all regional forces so that we can provide for the people of our state a government by the people, for the people, and because of the people. We have seen that there were too many agendas that have been left in the lurch with a tall promise, a big promise that this Christmas we'll give you that, next Christmas we'll give you this, tomorrow again we'll give you something, but nothing has materialized. Let's be like some of our brothers and sisters states from the northeastern region. Look at how they address their regional issues, their state issues. We need to be united on one front to be able to rid from this bullying that is going on and on and on across the country, let alone just in Meghalaya. I'm happy that the UDP now believes that we are all also Khasi. Whatever gave the UDP the impression that we were a non-Khasi party? Of course we are very much Khasi. Of course we are a tribal build. And doesn't really matter. We, the Congress, have seen some very deep lows, and we've also seen some very big highs. Politics changes at the snap of a finger. So let me tell my friends from the UDP, since we are also reduced to 5 and you were always around these numbers, let's look at 2023 and let's work together. And let's push out all these communal forces that have come into our state with their own divided agenda. Let's push these people back. And I believe that the Congress is not yet done and over. UDP especially must be remembering this, that you have your highs, you have your lows. I hope the UDP will do better. But doesn't matter. To me personally at this juncture, as I read the politics, there's going to be a hung house. And if we have coalition, pre-poll coalition, pre-poll alliances with like-minded people who are tribal in mind, I will do it. And I hope we'll be able to work together to give the people of the state a strong, stable government.